What's happening, guys? We just landed here at Boston International Airport. We're waiting for a lift to come pick us up, and then we're gonna head to the hotel, drop our bags off, and I think we're gonna hit the gym this morning, and then probably find some lunch after that. All right, so we got checked into the hotel here. We're staying at the Hotel Commonwealth, which is right over by Fenway Park. And we got here a little early. They went ahead and got us in our room, and we got upgraded to a junior suite, which is pretty awesome. So we got a king-size bed, a little extra living space. So we just got back from the gym. We ended up going to Boston Sports Club, which is kind of like right across from Fenway. So our hotel's like here, Fenway's like here, Boston Sports Club's over here. Pretty good setup. They had a lot of stuff going on. It was like really spread out though, so it made it kind of weird. They had like cardio machines in a lot of areas, and weights were all kind of spread out. But overall, good workout. I hit hang cleans and deadlifts, and then my auxiliaries were shoulders and back. So just got back to the hotel. We're gonna grab a shower, grab something to eat. Not really sure what our plans are for tonight, but probably find something to get into. Morning, second day of vacation. It is very rainy and very nasty. We're about to head downstairs and find some breakfast, and then we're gonna go to the gym and work off those French fries from yesterday. Not really sure what we're gonna get into because of the weather today, but we'll see. So technically today's my day off from the gym, but Becca pretty much has to go any day she doesn't have work because her schedule always rotates. So I just hit some push-ups and ab work and then did about 45 minutes of cardio, about 40 minutes because I was off and on changing the camera around and stuff. But anyway, so we just got back, eating some fruit snacks, so my sugar started getting a little low. Otherwise, I was gonna finish out the whole hour of cardio, but that didn't happen. So I'm gonna grab a shower now. It is still raining like crazy here. I think our plan for this afternoon is to go check out MIT. I just kind of want to see their computer science building. We might go to Harvard, just kind of cruise around Cambridge a little bit. And then tonight, I think we're going to a steakhouse. I'm pretty sure it's Abe and Louie's, which is pretty close to our hotel. So pretty excited for that. And then tomorrow's our last day here in town. Hopefully the weather will be a little better. Try and hit the gym in the morning, and then we fly out around 6:30. So we'll have most of the afternoon to kind of do whatever we want. But we'll probably have to be out of our hotel room and stuff. So we'll see what happens. Weather could be a little better, but overall, having a good time. Food has been pretty decent. Prices are a little high, I would say, for what we've got. But it's been good so far. Keep it going. Fruit snacks.
Just got up, something's wrong. I waited up with wounds on my feet. Where will you be? Flickering through memories, the Polaroids yellowed in the sun, longing to be seen. So come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come and hide with me, hide with me, hide with me. Come bright, I called you up just to hear your voice on the machine. Nothing will be like it was, but you will always be my first choice, just as it seems. Hide with me, hide with me.
We are getting ready to go out to dinner now. Becca's planned a pretty special night out. We're gonna go to this steakhouse called Abe and Louie's. It's kind of our goal whenever we go on vacation somewhere new that we try and find like the best steakhouse. So pretty excited for that. We're gonna go check out Abe and Louie's, and then we'll probably end up swinging back by the bar at the hotel here. There's actually 3 bars at our hotel, which is kind of cool. There's Eastern Standard, which we went to last night and got French onion soup, which you probably saw. There's another one we went to last night called the Hawthorne, which is more just drinks and maybe some small plates. And then there's the Island Creek Oyster Bar, which we haven't been to yet, so maybe we'll check that one out tonight. But Becca's getting ready, and then we are headed to Abe and Louie.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe.
day here in Boston. This morning I got up and went down to the hotel, little restaurant attached to the hotel. Got a bowl of oatmeal and a cup of coffee to start my day. And then after that I headed to the gym. I actually had to pay for a day pass this time, so it was like $15, which kind of sucked. But got a workout in, incline bench and front squats. Hate my front squats, but you know, got it done. Came back, got ready, packed everything up. I'm going down to grab some Starbucks for me and Becca right now. And she's getting ready, and we're out of here.